We are going to calculate for what you can say cement concrete 1 is to 5 is to 10 in foundation or floor, right? So bed what we put and all, for that we will try to do the calculation. Right? So unit is 1 cubic meter and we are going to do calculation for 10 cubic meters. Right? Again we will do first material calculation part. Material calculation. Right? So what we do here, we will do material calculation. So now this is the concrete work of proportion 1 is to 5 is to 10. Right? And volume required is 10 cubic meters. Right? So now how much amount of cement, sand, aggregate is required, that has to be calculated. Right? So for 10 cubic meters, what we do, we are going to add 50 to 55 percentage extra. Right? In the earlier last class, I had said you how to do this calculation. Once again, I am repeating. You see, for concrete, we add 50 to 55 percentage extra. Now, why 50 to 55 percentage extra? Because what happens is, so this is nothing but the wet volume. But in actual practice, while mixing and all, we require dry volume. So therefore, what happens that for dry volume, we are going to increase the amount by 50 percentage. Then next, what we do? We are going to add 2 to 5 percentage extra for what you can say wastage. 2 to 5 percentage extra we are going to add for wastage. So in general what we do, we are adding 52 percentage extra. 52 percentage extra. That means what you have to do, plus 10 multiplied by 1.52. You will get answer as 15.2. Right? So this what you can say 15.2, like if you want to do a work of 10 cubic meters concrete work, you require 15.2 cubic meters of what you can say dry volume. This much volume is required. Right? This is the total volume required, divided by what you do, the proportion. Right? You divided by this, you do the proportion. This 15.2 is nothing but total volume which is required, divided by the proportion. Our proportion is 1 is to 5 is to 10. Therefore, 1 plus 5 plus 10, it will be 0.95 cubic meters divided by 0.03. This is in cubic meters. So, as to convert it in back, what we do? We divide it by 0.035. You require 28 bags of cement. You require 28 bags of cement. Right? So sand will be like 0.95 cubic meters we have, multiply by 5. So you get 4.75 cubic meters. Similarly, aggregates 0.95 multiplied by proportion is how much? 10 multiplied by 10. So 9.5 cubic meters of what you can say aggregates are required. In this way, what you can do, you can calculate cement, sand, and aggregate. Cement, sand, and aggregate. Cement, sand, and aggregate we have calculated. Right? Again, like the sand is in cubic meters, 4.75 cubic meters. You convert it to brass and you can tell them that this much amount of, what you can say, this much brass of sand is required. Similarly, you can calculate like aggregate 9.5. Right? So plus 4.75 multiplied by what you can say like plus 4.75 multiplied by 35.28. Why 35.28? This is in cubic meters. I have converted to cubic feet. Right? So it is like 167.58 cubic feet CFT. Right? This divided by 100 you do. Why 100? Convert it in brass. Right? What you can say 100 CFT or 100 cubic feet is equal to 1 brass. So as to convert this 167 CFT to brass, we will divide it by 100. So therefore 1.67 what you can say brass of what you can say sand is required. Similarly, you can convert it for aggregates. Right? In that way, you can convert totally, and you can tell them that you can bring one dumper or one Aiva or one tractor based on the volume, how much it is required. So you'll be knowing like how much volume it can carry, 2.5 brass or 0.75 brass tractor and all. In that way, you can tell them, they will dump. Within that, we will be able to complete the work without any problem. Right? So this is regarding the cement, sand and aggregate calculation. Right? So again you have to multiply it by rates. That's it. Multiply by rates, you will get the cost of the material. Right? Then next is labor rates. Next is labor rates. Right? So you have to remember these labors. How many labors are required? Multiply by rate, you will get the cost. So for miscellaneous PT items, sundry tools and plants of depreciation costs and all, we can add certain 100 rupees or 200 rupees extra. This will be the total cost. Right? This is the total cost of material and labor. So you can add 1.5% extra for water charges and 10% of contractor's profit, so as to get the grand total. Right? So this divided by 10. Why 10? Because we have done calculation for 10 cubic meters. Right? Therefore, this will be divided by 10. It is 3919. That is the cost per cubic meter. Right? So generally, students what they do is that here they do mistake. Here they do mistake. Right? So what they do, the cement concrete sometimes calculation they will take 100 cubic meters. That 100 cubic meters if you take, so here you have to divide it by 100. Right? If you are doing for 10 cubic meters means these many labors are required. If you are doing for 10 cubic meters, then these many labors are required. If you do what you can say for 100 cubic meters, 10 times of this. So 10 times more labors are required now. Right? 10 times more labors are required. If you are doing for 100 or than that, it will be 5. It will be 15. It will be 120 labors are required. Right? So you remember generally whether it is 10 cubic meters or 100 cubic meters for what we are doing. So what all these labor numbers I am writing, that is for 10 cubic meters. Right? So another question what usually students ask is, so why unit is 1 cubic meter? Why we are not doing for 1 cubic meter itself? Why we are doing like for 10 cubic meters or in the previous case 100 cubic meter and all? Right? So for example, what happens is that for 10 cubic meters I have taken this number as 0.5. Right? So if I am going to take for 1 cubic meter, hardly this number is required. So this number will be 0.00 something 5 or so. Right? So here mention for 10 cubic meter, what you can say 1.5 numbers are required. If you do it for only what you can say 1 cubic meter, divided by what you can say 10, 0.15 mention is required. So here what happens is 1.2 is required, 1.8 is required. In that what happens that these numbers will be very less. So we will not get the exact idea, like exact cost. Right? So you are going to round it off to somewhat higher values and all. So it becomes very difficult to calculate these numbers. So for 1 cubic meter, how many labors are required? So therefore, what we do, generally we take some certain higher value. For that, it is easy to calculate how many numbers are required. This is already they have calculated. Based on that, what we do, we are going to calculate the total cost. Right? In this way, either some materials you do it for 100 and some materials you do it for 10 cubic meter. You remember. So total numbers you take for what you are doing calculation, so that has to be divided at the end. Right? In this way, we are going to do for cement concrete foundation in floor. Right? Then next is we will do for RCC works. So RCC work in beam, slab, etc. of proportion 1:2:4, including steel, centering, shuttering, bending and binding. Right? So for example, if you want to cast any slab and beam, first what we do is that first they are going to do the shuttering works. Right? So for the shuttering and all, carpenter helper are required. Right? They will have certain supports. Right? They will do certain staging. They will provide certain props. Above that, they are going to fix some ply or plates what they have. They are going to fix it. They are going to tie it. Right? That is shuttering. Then next is that after shuttering, what happens is that centering work we say. That means like we require steel now. RCC work means steel is required. Right? Reinforcement is required. So that reinforcement, what happens that as per the dimension that has to be cut, that has to be brought to the location, that has to be placed. Then next, if you take any slab and all, bending is required. If you provide hooks and all, bending is required. So that bending has to be done. Then next, what bars you have placed with the help of what you can say binding wires, you have to tie it. Right? So all these things, that is centering, bending and binding works. Right? It is inclusive of this. When you are going to include steel, means all these things, centering, shuttering, bending, binding will come. Right? Sometimes what we do, we are going to calculate excluding bending. In the exams, you should take care only they have asked for RCC works including steel or excluding steel, right? So including steel means you have to take the steel amount, excluding steel, but including this means you have to add up for that extra, right? So the next is again unit is 1 cubic meter. We are going to calculate for 10 cubic meters, right? Again material calculation, again same thing, same calculation, right? So we are doing calculation for 10 cubic meters, right? So this is concrete work itself. So how much we are going to add extra? 52% extra. 52% of 10 means 10 multiplied by 1.52. It will be 15.2 divided by the proportion, right? So this is M15 grade of concrete. If you are doing M20 grade of concrete, only this proportion is going to change. 1 is to 1.5 is to 3, right? So here 15.2 divided by proportion is going to change. That is 1 plus 1.5 plus 3. So therefore it will be like proportion is going to change. Only this number is going to change, right? So if it is 1, 1, 2, 1, 1.5, 3. If you have done nominal, these are the nominal mix design what we have taken, right? If you are doing concrete mix design, as per that mix design what you can do, you can calculate. If it is 1 is to 1.5 to 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1.2, 2, something like that, what mix design you get, based on that also you can calculate the amount of cement, sand and aggregate, no problem. Only what is the proportion that has to be divided so as to get the numbers, right? So 2.2 cubic meters we have. This is in cubic meters. To convert to bags, divided by 0.035, we'll get 63 bags. 63 bags of cement is required. So this another mistake what students do is, so when they are calculating this in bags, right? 63 multiplied by 2 they are going to do. So you take care. So sand, aggregates and all we are calculating in cubic meters. So cement, how many cubic meter it is required? 2.2. So what is the proportion? 2. So 2 times of sand is required, 4 times of, or you can say aggregates are required. So don't multiply by the 63 number. We have to multiply it by 2.2 cubic meters. Why? Because 2.2 multiplied by 2, 4.2 cubic meters will have. Similarly, 8.8 cubic meters will have. Right? So for example, if you are doing what you can say, if you want to calculate the steel and all, you require certain drawings and all, which is not there. So for the slab, what we do generally, we take like 80 kg per cubic meter, right? So therefore, approximately based on thumb rule, we will try to calculate the steel quantity now. Here in this case, right? 80 kg per cubic meter, right? So how many cubic meters for how many cubic meters we are doing calculation? That is for 10 cubic meters, right? So 80 multiplied by 10. So therefore, 800 kg of steel is required, right? So remember, we are doing calculation for RCC beam or slab, including steel, centering, shuttering, bending and binding. We have included the steel. So therefore steel also has to be included. Right? So we will add this, what you can say, steel work. Right? So cement 63 numbers, sand 4.4 cubic meter, stone is that is aggregate 8.8 cubic meter. Then next is HYC bars. Right? We require 800 kg. So per kg, if you see now, approximately rate is like it is varying. Like what brand of steel you take, it depends. If you go for Tata and all, it is very costlier. If you go for other like Kamdhenu and all, it is like 42, 45, 38. It is variable. So nominal rate I have taken, that is 45 rupees per kg. Right? So it will be like 36,000. Next is you require binding wire. So how do you calculate now? 1 kg for 100 kg. So we require 800 kg of steel. So therefore 8 kg of binding wire is required. So for binding wire they charge something extra. I have taken 10 rupees extra, 54 rupees per kg. So this much is the cost of the binding wire. Right? Then next is this is the cost of the material. This is the total cost of material. Then next is we will calculate for labors. So how many labors are required? Mason, head mason, 0.5. Mason 3, Mazdoors, male pulley, female pulley and all, these many numbers are required. Then next what happens is that, this is for what you can say concreting and all you will have. Then next is when you are to, at the start itself I will tell you what is the procedure, how we are doing. Centering and shuttering works has to be done, right? For that carpenter helper and all it is required. and when you need to take that bar, cutting has to be done, bending, binding, and placing in position. For that, bar bender and bar bender helpers are required. So we can take these as 8 numbers: bar bender and bar bender helper. That means he is going to cut the bar, he is going to bend the bar, he is going to put the hooks and all, he is going to tie all the bars, and he is going to place it in position. Right? This is the work of bar bender and bar bender helper. Right? So one what you can say, lesson and helper is required. So lump sum amount I will add 100 rupees extra. Right? Then next is centering and shuttering. Right? So before placing steel, what we do? We have to do centering, marking, shuttering works. That has to be done. That is both erection and dismantling. Right? So what happens is that we are going to erect, we are going to cast. After like 28 days or 15, 21 days and all, what we are going to do? We are going to remove the formwork. Right? So the cost, it is inclusive of what you can say erection as well as dismantling. That means after what you can say concrete is going to set after 15, 21 days or 28 days, we are going to remove that. Right? So this cost is inclusive of all those things. Right? So as to do that, we require carpenter, carpenter helper and all. I have taken 10 numbers. All this data, it is what you can say from BN data textbook itself. Only I have multiplied it by it so as to get the cost. Right? Then next is like you require certain what you can say plates are required, plywood is required, planks are required, bullies and all what we say their support and all. So for that I have added a lump sum amount of this 2000 extra. Right? Nails and all they are required. Then next is for sundries, tools and plants I have added 100 rupees extra. This is the requirement for bar benders and helpers. Right? So you add up, you will get the total cost of the material, 1.5% water charges, 10% of contractor profit. So grand total will be like 11,246 rupees per cubic meter. So what is this rate? This rate is inclusive of what you can say centering, shuttering, bending, binding, inclusive of steel, inclusive of steel. But in the estimation part, if you see, only we used to take RCC work and steel work we used to take separately. Steel work we used to take separately. Correct? So we used to take nearly around 5,500 or 800, 5,800 something we used to take. So if you see here, it is 11,000. So it is inclusive of steel and everything. Right? So this is the cost. Then next is RCC work excluding steel. Excluding steel means everything will remain same. Everything will remain same. Only here you can see RCC works in beams, slabs, etc. Excluding steel, but including centering, shuttering, bending, and binding. Right? That means only steel we are going to remove. Only steel we are going to remove. Other things like centering, shuttering, bending, binding, everything we are going to include. Again, same thing, everything will remain same now. This material calculation part will remain same. Material calculation part will remain same. Only thing is that here we had written steel and what you can say binding wire. So that is removed from here in this table. That will be removed from the table. Other things will remain same. Other things will remain same. That has to be removed and we have to add up all these rates, that is labor rates and all. If you are going to add up, everything will remain same. If you add up, you will get this amount. Right? We'll get this amount. In this what happens that we are going to do for RCC works. Right? So I hope